Guys, what's up? It's Dr. Awesome here with another classic YouTube video, also known as Doug. And today we're going to be, I know you can't really see it that well, but we're taking this tree down. Here's my dad. Hey Dad, want to show him the back of your shirt?
No.
Huh?
No. You know what?
We're going to be using a, yeah, I know.
How come?
I have no idea. I didn't turn it off. But anyway, so we're going to hook it onto the back of this Toyota. By the way, go Toyota and Ford and all the other brands. And I just wanted to make sure you guys saw it fall. So let's get started.
I'm going to do it at the end because it don't matter, right? That way.
You're just going to put it on right here?
Yeah.
I'm excited. Write hashtag Ford if you made it this far.
Okay.
It's gonna make him do like a flip. He'll be like, "Brr." Oh, here comes somebody else. So let's watch this epicness, bros.
Good.
Oh, they're not doing it yet, but hello. But they're going to soon. So how long till we're gonna do it?
How much stress is on it? No, why not?
How long till we make it fall?
You might have to just.
It's gonna want to spin, I bet.
Yeah. Part 1, if this video gets 25 likes, I'll upload part 2 right away. Hey guys, thanks. Bye. Bro fist.